Store Layout Editor provides a top-down view of your store, and you can define fixtures or shelves where you might sell products. You can name those shelves, you can move them around. You can see here that I'm selecting my cosmetic shelf and I'm moving that section around. You can resize them or change the angle. And you can see here at the top of the screen, there's a bunch of different sections. So for example, you can set up new shelves, either rectangular, circular. You can set up non-stock areas like I've done with this pharmacy. This is an area where you won't be selling items directly, but it's good for things like offices, lanes, things like that. When you've got your areas defined as you'd like them, one of the things that you can do is then start assigning bin locations to different shelves. So you can see here I've got this cosmetic shelf selected that I just moved. I can click this icon to add a bin to it. And I've now declared that this cosmetic shelf, which has 5 segments, you can see these columns or segments on the shelf, and 4 levels, has a bin location defined in that. The ultimate goal of Store Editor is that you define your shelves, define how many segments and levels they are, assign bin locations to them, and then you can use the heat map tool. So the heat map tool allows me to map sales over a time period that's defined that I can choose. There's also inventory counting options, and there's a wealth of other tools that let me do things like align shelves like we've done in the preview one, save your settings, and so on. If you're a current Star Plus customer, please contact our technical services team for support. If you're exploring a new point of sale solution with this and many other innovative features, reach out to our sales team today.